Hey everyone, if you use Windows 11, then these tips that I'm going to share with you will ease many functions for you. So let's get started. Number one is the voice typing. For that, just press Windows plus H and the speech recognition will start. You talk and it's gonna type. Interesting, right? Let's move on to the other one. Number two is dynamic lock. What does it do? When you move away from your computer, it automatically locks. Many times it happens that we start Windows and leave and then our screen starts or it goes to sleep after 15 to 30 minutes. But if you want it to automatically close when you move away, it's called a dynamic lock. And so for that, go to settings, account, sign in option. You will get the dynamic lock option. In that option, allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Next is snap your Windows layout. If you want 3 big windows or 2-3 small windows on your screen, you can do it with the help of snap layout. It's helpful when you open a lot of software, and for that type Windows and Z and you'll get an option to snap, lock and resize. Next is custom screenshots. You just have to click on the Windows plus Shift plus S shortcut and you'll get the snip tool. And then you just need a part of the screen or the entire screen. Or if you want to take a free-form screenshot, you'll be able to do that too with this option. Next is to customize your start menu. You'll have to go to settings, personalization, start and folders. You'll get different options here. In the start menu, check the horizontal app icons as well and you'll see the power buttons. This will definitely save your time as well. You can immediately click on start and access it. So yeah, you can call it a productivity hack. Next is the pin apps to start menu. Yes, it will save you a lot of times because many times the apps you want are not visible in the start menu. So for this, all you have to do is to go to all the apps and then you'll see a total list of apps. All you have to do here is right click on the app and then pin to start. You'll be able to place it wherever you want. So, out of all these tips, how many did you know? Let us know in the comment section below, and if there is any other tip you would like to share, our comment section is right open in front of you.